This isn't a van, it's a private jet on wheels built for the road. The moment you first see it, you don't think family van, you think presence. You think comfort elevated into something almost unreal for a vehicle that once carried everyday families across highways. This is the 2006 Chevrolet 7-passenger Sherrod Conversion van, a machine that takes utility and transforms it into something quietly luxurious, almost like a rolling lounge built for distance, silence, and pure comfort. Built on the dependable Chevy Express platform and enhanced by Sherrod's signature conversion craftsmanship, this van is not about chasing attention. It's about redefining what long-distance travel feels like when everything unnecessary has been removed and everything essential has been perfected. Under the hood sits the legendary 3L LM7 V8, an engine known across GM's history for its durability and effortless cruising power. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth, relaxed acceleration rather than aggression. This is not a vehicle that rushes. It glides. At first glance, the exterior in beige carries a calm, understated confidence. It doesn't scream performance or aggression, it whispers refinement. The tinted windows hint at privacy, while the running boards add a subtle touch of accessibility and function. There's a timeless shape to it, boxy but purposeful, designed not for aerodynamics or sportiness, but for maximum interior space and comfort. It's the kind of silhouettes you associate with road trips that last for hours, maybe even days, where the journey becomes just as important as the destination. Step closer, and the real story begins behind the doors. Inside, the Sherrod Conversion reveals itself like a hidden world. The tan vinyl interior wraps the cabin in a warm, inviting tone that feels more like a lounge than a vehicle. It's soft, practical, and built for real-world use without sacrificing comfort. Overhead storage lines the cabin, reminding you that this van was designed for life in motion. Luggage, gear, travel essentials, all neatly integrated into the architecture. At the front, power steering and power brakes give the driver a sense of ease that matches the van's personality. This is not a machine that demands effort. It responds with calm precision. The 4-wheel disc brakes provide confidence, especially when carrying a full 7 passengers, ensuring that even a fully loaded trip remains controlled and stable. But it's the passenger experience where this Sherrod Conversion truly separates itself. In the middle of the cabin, rear captain swivel chairs redefine what it means to travel as a passenger. These aren't standard seats, they are personal comfort stations. You can rotate, relax, and reorient yourself with the cabin, turning the interior into a social lounge or a private retreat, depending on the moment. Conversations feel natural here. Silence feels comfortable here too. Move further back, and the rear bench seat transforms the entire purpose of the van. With a simple adjustment, it converts into a full sleeping surface, a bed on wheels. Suddenly, this is no longer just transportation. It becomes a mobile living space, a place where long road trips don't require hotels, a place where rest is always available, no matter where the road leads. Air conditioning flows through the cabin with a cold, steady presence, cutting through summer heat and long highway miles with ease. Even after years, the system continues to deliver comfort, reinforcing the Sherrod philosophy. Luxury should not be fragile, it should be functional. Entertainment comes in the form of a classic AM, FM radio and cassette player, a nostalgic reminder of an era when driving was about presence, not distraction. It adds character to the cabin, grounding the experience in something authentic and mechanical rather than overly digital. Every detail inside this van serves a purpose. The tinted windows provide privacy and temperature control. The overhead storage keeps the cabin organized. The seating layout maximizes comfort for all 7 passengers without compromise. Nothing feels accidental. Everything feels considered. On the road, this Sherrod Conversion van reveals its true personality. It doesn't corner like a sports car, and it was never meant to. Instead, it floats over distance. The 5.3 V8 delivers steady torque, allowing effortless highway cruising even with a full cabin. The suspension absorbs imperfections in the road, turning long drives into smooth, almost meditative experiences. This is a vehicle built for families, road trippers, and anyone who understands that travel is not just about getting there, it's about how you feel while getting there. It's about arriving without exhaustion. It's about turning miles into memories. And that's why vehicles like this have developed a quiet cult following. In a world dominated by modern SUVs and digital dashboards, the Sherrod Conversion van represents something different, something slower, something more human. It represents a time when vehicles were designed as spaces, not just machines, at a price of around $24,995. This example sits in a rare sweet spot. It offers luxury-level interior comfort without luxury brand pricing. It delivers V8 reliability without exotic maintenance costs. And it offers something increasingly rare today: space, real space. For people, for luggage, for life on the move. It's easy to overlook a van like this in a parking lot full of modern crossovers. But once you step inside, everything changes. You understand immediately that this is not about status. It's about experience, about comfort that doesn't need to be announced, about a design philosophy that prioritizes people over trends. The 2006 Chevrolet Sherrod Conversion van is not trying to impress the world. It was built to serve the people inside it, and that is exactly why. Even today, it still feels special, because sometimes luxury isn't found in price tags or badges. Sometimes it's found in the quiet hum of a V8, the soft glow of tan interior lighting, and the feeling that no matter how far you go, you're already home.